This is a video on balers. Not just any balers. We're talking about new idea variable chamber round balers. I know you're probably thinking a baler is a baler. What makes new idea so special? While we may have similarities to some competitors, there are a great many more differences. And these differences can save you time and money while reducing your workload and maintenance costs. In fact, the new family of new idea variable chamber round balers is second to none. So to distinguish ourselves, let's begin with what our balers have in common, the things that are all in the family. To explain these similarities, we've divided each baler system into areas of focus called new idea zones. New idea zone 1 is the bale forming area. Zone 2 is the exterior walkaround area. Zone 3 is the hitch and driveline area. And Zone 4 is the operator area. So let's examine why a new idea variable chamber round baler is your best idea when it comes to balers. The Model 4643, a rugged low-cost performer, requires the least amount of horsepower to run, but don't let its size fool you. It still produces bales up to 550 pounds. The 4644 is extremely versatile, able to work on smaller as well as larger operations. Bales from the 4644 can weigh up to 1,000 pounds. The Model 4664 produces bales up to 1,650 pounds. Number 2 in our family, the 4664 is designed to handle most big jobs efficiently. Our largest variable chamber baler, the Model 4665, produces bales weighing up to 2,200 pounds. The Model 4664 and 4665 can also be equipped with the optional 1,000 RPM PTO kit, ideal for higher horsepower tractors. New Idea has 4 variable chamber round balers. All models feature an open-throat vertical bale chamber design. These balers work by varying the chamber size as the bale size increases. And bale size increases as crop continues to enter the bale chamber, where a series of belts expands to accommodate the growing bale. All New Idea variable chamber round balers create a small diameter core surrounded by a high-density shell. With the Model 4643, bale density and belt tensioning are controlled by non-adjustable tension spring arms. On the Model 4644, belt and cylinder pressure are controlled by the tractor and a non-adjustable relief valve. With the Model 4664, belt and bale density cylinder pressures are adjustable and controlled by the baler control valve. While with the powerful Model 4665, cylinder pressure is controlled by an adjustable self-contained hydraulic system on the baler. You realize greater bale weight for a given size, improved bale shape, and fewer bales per field. This reduces spoilage, producing more palatable feed for livestock, which puts more money in your pocket. With this information in mind, let's talk New Idea zones. Here at New Idea Zone 1, the bale forming area, the 4643 and 4644 feature a low-profile 3-bar assembly that gently picks up and directs the crop with minimal crop movement into the bale chamber. The pickup assembly can be manually adjusted to any of 3 positions. The 4664 and 4665 feature a 4-bar pickup assembly that minimizes crop movement, reducing stem and leaf loss. The pickup drive belt idler on each model is spring-loaded to maintain proper belt tension. Pickup height is adjustable with a hand crank for an infinite variety of settings. The pickup pivots from the front of the baler and is pulled, not pushed, through the field. This design allows the pickup to float over obstructions, eliminating the need for flotation springs. After gently picking up the crop, the spring steel wind guard provides smooth, even feeding and guides the crop into the bale chamber. This helps retain more high-protein leaves. Naturally, the wind guard accommodates various crops and conditions. The belts are driven by the SureTrack crowned roller. A crown drive surface for each belt helps ensure proper belt tracking and better traction to drive the forming belts. Belts on all models are made of a high-quality rubber-coated 3-ply synthetic fabric. The Model 4643 belts featured a roughened surface and are fastened with clipper lacing hooks. On the 4644, 4664, and 4665 models, the 7-inch wide chevron forming belts cover over 90% of the bale surface and are fastened with tightened lacings. The belts reduce leaf and crop loss and are designed for long, trouble-free service under high load conditions. Once the bale is formed in the chamber, it's quickly and simply ejected through the tailgate, which is operated by 2 hydraulic cylinders. Optional bale ejector ramps can also save you time, alleviate operator fatigue, and reduce wear and tear on the tractor by preventing damage to the tailgate and permitting no backup baling. Once the tailgate is closed and latched, the baler is ready to bale. No matter which of the 4 baler models you operate, should you continue to bale after the full bale alert sounds, the pickup declutcher rod lifts the drive idler from the pickup drive belt, preventing additional crop from entering the bale chamber and preventing damage from an oversized bale. Now it's time to check Zone 2, the walkaround area. The windrow gathering wheels are standard on the Model 4643 and optional on all other models. The gathering wheels guide crop into the pickup area and increase the effective pickup width of the 4643 to almost 4 feet. These wheels make it easier for operators to follow a windrow, and they ensure that the sides of the bale will be full, resulting in more uniform, weather-resistant bales. The bale size indicator is on the upper right-hand side of the 4643 and 4644 models. The Model 4644 also has a bale size adjustment located next to the indicator, allowing the operator to easily adjust and monitor the bale size from start to finish. These features are ideal should smaller bales be required by handling equipment or herd size. The mechanical full bale alert, located immediately adjacent to the bale size indicator on the Model 4643, emits a sharp ratcheting sound when the full bale size has been reached. The 4644 features a baler control box that can be conveniently mounted on the tractor. The control box is fuse protected, has an on-off switch, power on light, a full bale warning buzzer, and a gate closed light. That's about it for New Idea Zone 2, so let's move over to Zone 3, the hitch and driveline area. To transfer power to the baler gearbox, both models use an equal angle hitch. In addition to transferring power, the equal angle hitch allows the operator to make tight turns, even under load, for smoother operation without excessive wear to the PTO driveline. From the right angle gearbox on the 4643, power is transferred to the cross shaft. From this shaft, the roller chain drives the forming belt rollers in the pickup drive. With the Model 4644, an adjustable slip clutch provides overload protection for the baler driveline. That completes New Idea Zone 3. In Zone 4, the operator area, ease of operation and control are the key factors. From the tractor seat, it's very easy for the operator to monitor the 4643 or the 4644. The bale size indicator, full bale alert, and windrow gathering wheels are all right there within easy view. Another thing that's right there on the Model 4643 is the pull rope twine tie. The operator initiates each wrapping process by simply pulling on the rope to bring the twine across the bale. The operator then releases the rope a little at a time to wrap the bale. The visual twine arm indicator allows the operator to monitor the twine arm position as the bale is being wrapped. This low-cost system is designed for low-horsepower tractors with single hydraulic remote outlets. An electric control twine tie is available for either the 4643 or 4644 models and requires only one hydraulic remote outlet. The electric actuator is operated by a toggle switch which can be conveniently mounted for the operator. If you have dual hydraulic remotes, a hydraulic control twine tie is available. The twine arm is controlled by a hydraulic cylinder, while twine spacing and number of wraps is controlled by the remote outlet control lever. Standard with the Model 4643 and optional with the Model 4644 hydraulic twine option, a flow control valve provides a wide range of twine arm speeds. Well, that about covers the 4643 and 4644 models. Now let's go to the other members of the New Idea baler family and look at the 4664 and 4665 variable chamber round balers. Like the 4643 and 4644 models, the 4664 and 4665 models can also be divided into zones. So let's get right to New Idea Zone 1. This is where the 4664 and the 4665 balers earn their keep. Both models have standard, a bale starting roll, which assures consistent bale starting. Bolt-on replaceable rubber flaps provide positive bale starting. Among the most efficient designs in the industry, the starting roller supports most of the bale weight. The tailgate roller and belts carry the remainder of the weight, eliminating the need for floor belts. Still at Zone 1, the powered clean-out serrated discs, which efficiently remove loose crop from the space between the front side of the forming belts and return it to the pickup area, also extend belt life. This feature reduces debris buildup, which in return reduces maintenance time. Similarities are everywhere when it comes to bale wrapping. Both the 4664 and 4665 balers feature twine movement sensors, dual twine arms, adjustable twine arm control, adjustable twine guides, and a bale control valve. The twine movement sensors ensure that the bale is securely wrapped before ejection. The dual twine arms tie the bale much faster than single arm systems. Operators have control over twine arm speed and twine placement, reducing twine costs and wrapping time while making operators more productive. Easily adjustable twine guides are used to space the twine distance from the ends of the bale. The baler control valve on the Model 4664 contains the dump valve and bale density relief valve. The Model 4665 control valve also contains the twine arm speed control. The dump valve is used to relieve belt tension for storage and maintenance. The bale density relief valve provides bale density adjustments from 1500 to 2200 psi. Hydraulic belt tension and bale density cylinders ensure consistent bale density from core to outer shell and ensures consistent belt tension at all times. Because of the low stress placed on hydraulic components, 1500 to 2000 psi, maintenance and downtime are reduced, making this equipment more productive. An option for both models is the hydraulic pickup lift, which allows the operator to raise or lower the pickup from the tractor seat. This allows the operator to raise the pickup when crossing such hazards as washouts or rough property line areas, while reducing transport time. Now let's move to New Idea Zone 2. As with Zone 1, there are again similarities and differences in Zone 2, the exterior walkaround area. Like their smaller members of the family in Zone 2, the 4664 and 4665 have a bale size selector and indicator, oversized bale protection, a visual twine arm indicator, and optional windrow gathering wheels. But this is where the similarities come to an end. At Zone 2, the 4664 and 4665 have single-point tailgate lockout valves. Located on the left-hand side of the baler, this valve allows you to lock the tailgate in the up position for routine maintenance. Standard on the 4665 but optional on the 4664 are high flotation tires and the bale ejector. High flotation tires are ideal for working in extremely soft, sandy, or spongy soil and smooth out rough fields, reducing operator fatigue and increasing productivity. As mentioned earlier, the bale ejector eliminates the need to back up when ejecting a bale. A plunger in the bale chamber detects the presence of each bale and controls the baler ejector operation. The bale ejector moves the bale away from the baler far enough to allow the tailgate to close without hitting the bale. Zone 2 also features the Model 4665 self-contained hydraulic system, which allows the baler to operate automatically without the need for tractor hydraulics. Both models 4664 and 4665 have bale density gauges, allowing you to monitor bale density pressure while the bale is being formed. Now let's move to New Idea Zone 3, the hitch and driveline area. In this area, power from the tractor is transferred to the baler. Both models feature constant velocity drivelines, which allow smooth, tight turns of up to 80 degrees without driveline chatter. This is especially important at the end of a windrow, where maneuverability is critical. The reduced driveline chatter increases service life and decreases maintenance costs. Both models 4664 and 4665 feature slip clutch overload protection for the baler drive components. The dual disc slip clutch is adjustable for wear, reducing maintenance costs. In addition, the Model 4665 slip clutch acts as a baler declutcher. The declutcher controls baler drive operation, so there's no need to disengage the tractor PTO. The control box directs the declutcher to disengage the baler before ejecting a bale, and to engage it again after the tailgate is closed, so the next baling cycle can be started. From Zone 3, we progress to New Idea Zone 4, the operator area, where ergonomic considerations are becoming as important as technical considerations. And in Zone 4, we have a baler control box for the 4664 and baler control monitor for the Model 4665. The control box in the Model 4664 allows the operator to monitor tailgate position, full bale size, twine feeding, and more throughout the baling process. The control box alarm volume can be adjusted with a shutter on the front of the control panel. Openings are provided for the driving indicator lights when the optional bale shape sensor kit is added. This kit notifies the operator visually when the ends of the bale are not being properly filled, ensuring more consistent bales. The baler control monitor on the 4665 has a liquid crystal display screen and 12 sealed touchpad switches to monitor or control many functions, including self-diagnostic capability, the joggle switch, the driving sensor, the twine net feed indicator, the electronic bale counter, clutch warning, hydraulic oil temperature warning, full bale indicator, twine arm movement, and the gate and bale ejector indicator. This control can also provide directions. As the baler picks up crop, 4 arrows on the LCD screen indicate the bale shape as it's being made. If the bale is uneven, the indicator arrows direct the operator where to drive to fill the bale evenly and square the bale ends. Well, that's the new family of New Idea balers. The New Idea 4643, 4644, 4664, and 4665 models. All come from the highest quality stock. All are tough on the job. All are flexible, adaptable to a wide variety of crop and terrain conditions. Check one out today. New Idea variable chamber round balers. See why we think there aren't any better ideas in variable chamber balers than New Idea balers.